Hello, welcome to HotelContractBeds. Today I'm going to show you our Natural Choice 1500 pocket spring model. This bed is part of our handcrafted range, lovingly made in our workshops and designed to give you the ultimate level of comfort and pure sleep indulgence. This medium feel mattress has 1500 of our unique identity individual pocket springs, all working independently from one another, giving an excellent spinal support, as well as allowing for hips and shoulders to be gently caressed. On top of the springs, we then hand layer the finest natural fibres and fillings for your ultimate comfort and support, using soft springy wool for its insulation, being warm in winter and cool in summer, cotton felt for its moisture absorption, maintaining your comfort throughout the night, and finally cashmere and silk for its sustainable breathability and excellent cooling properties. Our mattress borders are side-stitched, giving strength and durability to the edge of the mattress, with flag stitch turning handles making it easy to turn the mattress, prolonging its life. Finally, we fit air vents to allow airflow throughout the mattress, ensuring it's always fresh and clean. Our bed bases are second to none, with solid sides and ends, making them probably the strongest in the marketplace today. Available with a choice of storage options shown on our base video, and upholstered in a choice of modern fabrics or our unique stain guard vinyl that's water repellent and easily wiped clean. This base has our popular continental drawer option, enabling you to use the top drawer as well as having a bedside table. All our headboards are available in a range of styles and designs and can be made in matching fabric to the Divan base as shown here. This model is shown in a zip and link version for this video, but is available in any size. All our beds meet with Source 5 contract fire regulations, and we're so confident of the products we manufacture that we back them with our 10-year warranty. HotelContractBeds, dreams that turn into reality.